Good day, welcome. Today we want to look at subject of relation. Sometimes we refer to it as subject of formula. Usually an alphabet is usually in an equation whereby you will be asked to make that alphabet the subject of relation of subject of formula. What do we mean by that? It means any other alphabet surrounding such an alphabet should be eliminated, making that alphabet to stand alone. What do I mean? Let's say what we have on the board. So we are asked to make x the subject of the formula in this. We have v equals to k over square root of t minus s, and this x is entrapped here. So how do I make it the subject of formula? Let's first of all try to remove this square root where s is. Removing the square root, we all know that opposite of square root is square. So let's square both sides. Let's square both sides. So squaring both sides, I will have v square equals k square all over square root of t minus s t minus x all squared. So that this square will cancel this square root. Then I have v square equals k square over t minus s. Now what else do I need to do? This is a fraction. So let's make this a fraction by giving it over 1. Then you cross multiply. Now I have v square into brackets t minus s equals k squared. Still I have an entanglement here. Don't forget we multiply to get this. So let's divide both sides by v squared, because opposite of times is division. So divide both sides by v squared. This cancel this here. So I have t minus s equals k squared over v squared. Now we have t minus x equals to this. Then let me take t to this other side. Don't forget there's an invisible plus here. So when t crosses to the other side, it becomes negative. So I have minus s equals to k squared over v squared minus t. We are looking at making s the subject of formula and not minus x. So you have to multiply both sides by negative or by minus. When you multiply both sides by minus multiplied by minus will give us plus. So s will become s equals, this will become negative because it is positive initially. So that's minus k squared over v squared. The minus times minus there will make it positive. Then you have t. Let me rearrange this to make it look better. So I have s equals to t minus k squared over v squared. I rearrange it so that this other side, this right side, will not start with a negative sign. It is better to leave it this way, and this is our final answer. Now let's come to the second question that says make w the subject of the relation in this. Making w the subject of the relation, w is entangled in a fraction already. So let me make this other side a fraction too by making it over 1. Then you cross multiply. Cross multiplying, you bring this times this. So I have g into brackets wd plus f equals to a plus bc. Are we together? Let's try to expand this. Expanding this, you have g times wd, that's gwd, plus g times f, that's gf, equals a plus bc. Are we together? Don't forget we want to make the w the subject of the formula, you try to eliminate every other alphabet around it. So letting D stand alone, let's take GF to this other side. So we have GWD equals A plus BC. This is positive. When it crosses, it becomes minus, so minus GF. Okay, what else can I do? Looking at this, don't forget GWD is together with a multiplication sign. Opposite of multiplication is division, so I can decide to divide both sides by GD. So G will cancel G, D cancel D. Then I have W equals to A plus BC minus GF over GD. You can further separate this if you like. You can leave this as your final answer, or you separate it by making it this way: A over GD plus BC over GD minus GF over GD. This cancel this. So I can write W equals to A plus BC over GD, because they both have GD, minus F. And that will give us the final answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. God bless you.